Having white dropout or erratic color issues in your test print? Don't panic. You can remedy this on your own. On your Mutoh XPJ661UF, open the cover so the print bed is exposed. Press lightly on the left side of the printhead and the head will become loose. Manually push the head to the left to expose the printer's cap top. Then you can add the Mutoh maintenance cleaning solution. Fill the solution's bottle cap with liquid, roughly 1 ounce, and pour into cap top. Gently return the carriage back to its home position. There will be an indicative click and lock when it is seated properly. Leave the solution set for 5 to 10 minutes. After that duration of time, run a little charge and then a head cleaning. Depending on the severity of your issue, short, normal, or long may vary. It is recommended to do a test print after this process to make sure your machine is firing on all cylinders. So add your media, measure, and run your nozzle check test print. If the problem persists, repeat these steps. If it continues to be an issue, give us a call.